everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I've already gone ahead and installed some of it. I'll show you what it is here, and you'll see it here in a second. This is MurArtis. It is tiles. It's like just super easy, put on, peel and stick tiles. So this is what the instructions are. If you see them here, they come in sheets like this. It's got 8 high, I think is what it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 8 high, 2 wide. And then I've cut them. They're super easy to cut down to size. You can cut them into little pieces and whatever like that. And you can see, I'll show you what it is here. So you've got the little peel and stick, and then it's got the little metal back, sticky part on the back. So you can stick it, and you can see that's what I'm using here around my TV. So I look like I'm in a bathroom or something. But but these are super cool. And they were super easy. I think I'm gonna leave these up because I really like them. They look nice. It makes it look like I'm in something that's tiled. But they're shiny and easy to clean and waterproof, I'm sure, because they're super there. I got hair all over mine here. But these are cool. And they like have a styrofoam there, core. So it's got a little squish, so it has some give. Made it really easy to put on the wall and everything like that. And I think they look good. It's the top half one. So those are good. They're really cool. And if you need some, pick some up, and your studio can look like my studio. Thumbs up, really cool.